Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something exciting in store for you, as we dive into a product that's been making waves in the automotive care community. That's right, we're talking about the Best Chemical Guys VRP, a versatile dressing that promises to revitalize and protect your vehicle's surfaces like nothing else on the market. If you're looking to enhance the look of your tires, vinyl, rubber, and plastic, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First off, let's discuss what makes the Chemical Guys VRP dressing stand out. This isn't just any dressing, its unique non-greasy formula is a game changer. Unlike many other products that leave an overly shiny finish, VRP dressing is designed to provide a natural, satin finish that enhances the beauty of your surfaces without the greasy feel. It invites you to touch the surface without fear of leaving greasy fingerprints behind. Now, you might be wondering, how do you apply this dressing to get the best results? Fear not, it's incredibly simple. Start by ensuring the surface you want to treat is clean and dry. Next, you can either spray the VRP dressing directly onto the surface or to an applicator pad. Work it into the tire, trim, or any desired area using an even, sweeping motion. The more even the application, the more stunning the results. After letting it set for a few moments, you can buff it gently to bring out even more shine if you desire. You'll be amazed at how quickly it penetrates and enhances the surface. One of the key features of Chemical Guys VRP is its versatility. Whether you're detailing your car, enhancing the look of outdoor furniture, or sprucing up the rubber seals of your windows, this dressing has you covered. It's formulated for use on various materials such as vinyl, rubber, and plastic, making it perfect for not just vehicles but also for a range of applications in your home or workspace. This adaptability will save you time and money, reducing the number of products you need to maintain your belongings. Additionally, let's not overlook the protective qualities of VRP dressing. It doesn't just make your surfaces look good, it also protects them from harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants. This feature is particularly important as it helps to prevent fading, cracking, and peeling. By applying the VRP dressing regularly, you can prolong the life of your items and save yourself from costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, effective dressing that delivers impressive results without a greasy finish, Chemical Guys VRP should be your go-to option. Its unique formulation, ease of application, versatility, and protective qualities make it a must-have in your detailing arsenal. Transform your car's appearance and keep it looking vibrant with just a simple spray. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique today. I hope you found this review informative and are inspired to try the best Chemical Guys VRP dressing for yourself. Make sure to subscribe for more product reviews and tips, and drop a comment below. If you have any questions or experiences to share about this product. Until next time, keep your ride looking fresh.